Check out this 2013 Nissan Juke. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include front head airbag, satellite radio, power door locks, passenger airbag, keyless start, ABS, engine immobilizer, and trip computer. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.